I was given the task that I need to extract the employment code from, so in column A we are having the name along with the employment code. What I need to do is that I need to extract the employment code and put it inside this B column. So how can we do that? We can use an if function. So if this particular cell is equal to blank, then what Excel will be doing? It will be doing nothing. But if it is not that the scenario, if there is some value, we'll be applying a write and we'll be extracting from this cell the last three digits. So from write, let me close the braces and press enter. So we are having employment code 318. Fine. So now if I just drag this formula all the way across to the down, and if I enter another name like Shomallo Khan, who is having an employment code of 334, enter. Again, if we just so this is a dynamic kind of Excel sheet in which the name and the employment, from the name in which the employment code was being given, we are extracting the employment code and we are extracting using the if function, and it's a dynamic one. So whenever you are inputting a name, his employment code would get auto populated. Now that's all for this problem set scenario. Think of your own in which there will be a helper column. A helper column maybe this one, and here we will be having a name, and what we will be doing is that we will be using equal to find. So what we will be finding? Find text within text. So find text. Find text. What is the text which we are going to find? We are going to find the text. This is the text we are going to find, and within the text, this one, and find. So we are finding this text, and if it finds this particular, so what is the result of it? We are having 14. ANIRBANDUTTA. So Datta 12. ANIRBAN 7, a space DUTTA. So 13 and a space. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be extracting a left function, left, and we'll be finding and we'll be extracting the text from this particular cell, and whenever it is finding that particular value, we'll be giving it a value of -1. Let me close the braces and press enter. So now we are having Anirban Datta. That's a nice looking Excel sheet. So before ending the video, what I will be doing is that I will be pressing Ctrl tilde operator from my keyboard to show what are the formulas that I have used. So in this way you can make your Excel sheet a more dynamic one. Let me know in the comment section if you find it hard or difficult to just follow along with me while doing the practical. Let me know in the comment section. So that's all, office executives, for this particular Excel video. Happy coding, guys, and see you again for some other videos. So where is the screen recorder? Here it is, and let me close it off.